Hey, we're back again with another pack opening. Got Prismatic Evolutions ETB at a restock today. And I got one of these tins, triple header from Walgreens a little while back. He would like to open both of these today. So that's what we're gonna go for. Also, our newest 3D print creation. Go ahead and tell them what it is. Rayquaza. He's so excited to say it. We're trying to pin some of these down so that we know what they look like and get the quality down. So maybe one of these days at a trade show we can start selling some of this stuff. Woo. We're gonna start with the tin today.
Like the I wanted to open.
Hold on. There you go. I can't get this one. Jeez Louise. Promo cards in there. There we go. We got the Jakari promo card. Boop, 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 boop. Spirit Bomb. Spirit Tome, sorry. I read that wrong. He knew
Spirit Bomb. What?
We have a Sabal.
A Sabai.
What do we get? We got a Dustin Rivals. We got a Journey Together.
I know how they open it.
Oh, we got two Dustin Rivals and a Journey Together. That's
so
nice.
What you do is you grab this.
That's what I've been doing.
And then there's like a little thing in it.
Here, you want to start with the Journey? Put you over here. Okay.
I'm just going to take this out. This one.
First pack, Magic.
A basic energy.
Yep, we got our energy.
Caterpie.
Caterpie.
Magmar. Hapswulu. Begon. Oinkagolunan. Isildur. Lily's Pearl. A reverse hollow Butterfree.
Ooh, a reverse hollow Butterfree.
I think you said the magic words at the beginning of 4 Marcactus.
Ooh, Marcactus full art.
Look
at it, shimmer and shine.
A hollow Norvern.
And a hollow Norvern. Sorry, I'm going to protect that one card because I'm just going to go ahead and sleeve it.
Yeah, because we automatically sleeve 4 sleeves.
Right, Destin Rivals now. 2 packs of Destin Rivals.
Basically, 2 Markets Tarantula. Misty's Magikarp. Ethan's Pikachu. Tauros. Mudsdale. Team Markets Orbeetle. Team Markets Proton. Reverse Hollow Team Markets Grimmer. We don't have like Lily's Pearl.
Ooh.
We don't have
Reverse Hollow Team Rocket's Grimmer.
We don't have Lily's Pearl or the Sacred Ash. Reverse Hollow Sacred Ash.
Sacred Ash.
Gorbis. A hollow.
Is that Ash the... Ooh.
Oh no, it's not Ash's Ash. No. Sacred Ash.
Is it a Pikachu that didn't make it?
Oh damn, that's dark.
And they're taking his essence and spreading it around.
Breloom, Snover.
Last pack, best pack out of this tin.
Team Markets Ekans, Murray's Mogrim. Team Markets Archer. Arvin's Totoschool. Reverse Hollow Arvin's Totoschool.
So we got a Totoschool, and then we got the Reverse Hollow Totoschool. Total Scroll.
Reverse Hollow Electabuzz.
And a reverse hollow Electabuzz. He's hiding this card, so it must be a good one. Oh, it's not.
A hollow is a men's stuff. It's like kind of bent.
It's pretty cool.
It's kind of bent. Did we choose out the best ETB?
We'll see.
I don't know why they glue it instead of just taping like the pictures to it. I see why they glue it actually. What's the art? Ooh!
Ooh, that's pretty cool art. There's our prismatic book guide.
Must be on. Umbreon. Ooh, we got so many. Oh, this is like a 4-page.
Cow.
4 pages.
See? Here's the artwork inside. I'm actually gonna frame some of these up.
Oh, this one is the promo that we get. Yeah, I mean it was really cool. Oh my god.
Sign up to see if we could.
back for this.
See if we could even purchase one through Best Buy, and we didn't score that invite.
But that's really cool.
These are pretty cool sleeves.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
I haven't used any of the sleeves that came with any of these ETBs yet.
I'm not gonna open this, but I am gonna show this to the camera. It has the Pikachu plushie.
There we go. Here's our 2 little coins that came with it. Whole box of these energy things.
I can't believe from the first pack we pulled a hit.
9 packs.
And if it does beef, let's hope that's after we
Alright, can you put it back?
Yeah, I'm just away.
Get it, damn it! Stop it.
I get the Kobe of the century.
I just want to get all those in first week. What's the matter? Evolutions. What is that? Something in your head?
No.
Bang your head.
On someone else?
Some of these packs aren't even really sealed. Came from a brand new ETB, so.
Should I not open it or should I not?
Well, they already open, so. Alright. Go ahead.
Okay.
First pack, best pack. Or no, that's last pack, best pack. First pack, magic. Oh, we got a hollow basic energy.
Apple. Yeah. Sneasel. Hoot hoot. What boat's training? A cool techno radar. The side is
Techno radar.
Carmine. Cool.
Ooh, great tusk.
Ancient. Bud catching set.
That's pretty cool. Great tusk.
A reversal bud catching set. You can like barely see the Pokeball.
Oh, we got a Pokeball. Ooh, that's got some nice texture to it too. Bug catching set.
A reverse hollow cotton me.
So we get first pack magic.
No, we didn't. It's just a hollow.
Ooh.
It's just a hollow, guys. It's just a hollow, guys.
It's just a hollow.
It's just a hollow.
That's Giacomo.
That's really cool. Okay. This is. I just had to write some out. Drippy. Miltank.
Miltank.
Habenberry. Noibat.
Habenberry. Noibat.
Earthen Vessel. Rescue bird.
Board. Rescue bird. It's a rescue board.
Dipwin. Reversal Britzy. Reversal.
Oh, a reverse hollow spritzer.
A reverse hollow professor's research. Hollow Archoodon.
We got a hollow Archrodon. Looks like a building falling apart. Thank you.
Yeah. Ooh.
We got a shiny energy. Another shiny basic energy.
Pipata. Evee.
Over the table.
Execute.
Evee.
Very still executor. Crispin. Stringtail. A hollow or reverse hollow?
That's a hollow Powerball.
Powerball. Hollow.
Pheasantipity?
Hollow.
Oh. Yeah, it's a hollow. And it's got, there's your Powerball.
Reverse hollow bronzer. Bronzer.
Reverse Bronzor.
Hollow monkey Dory.
Oh, Monkey Dory.
Monkey Dory. Shh.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Over the table.
Research. Training. Badoo. Buddy Coffin. Seeking. Kieran. Reverse hollow of Sylveon.
A reverse hollow Sylveon. Boom, boom.
A reverse hollow Execute.
Reverse hollow Execute.
This one looks like another Pokemon. Fluttermane looks like Mischievous, and it's a hollow.
Fluttermane.
It's just Mischievous, but with a different name and called Ancient. That's what it all is.
Next pack, Magic.
What?
I don't know. Just making stuff up. Trying to get some magic here.
Badoo, Crispin, Professor Reverse Hollow Applin, yeah.
A reverse hollow Applin. Oh, he's got some magic here.
Reverse hollow Dunsparce.
A reverse hollow Dunsparce.
A hollow.
You trying to? Oh, it's still a nice hollow.
I told you it was a hollow, and it's actually a hollow.
Novorn.
Dooby dabby 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 dooby.
God pack magic.
God pack magic? What?
I don't know.
You're just making stuff up.
Yes, I am.
What the string? Ryu? Professor's research. Regigigas. Carmine. Great Tusk. Reverse hollow Dracloak. Man, we pulled the same thing about hollow. Or reverse hollow. Master Ball. Master Ball.
I like Ryu. Yeah, he does have a Master Ball, doesn't he?
Hollow Noctowl.
That's a hollow knockout.
That's the first Master Ball we've gotten in like so long.
Yeah, it is the first one.
In so long. Marathon, Slowpoke, Hippotos, Area 0 Underdepths, Bud Catching Set, Heatran, Reverse Hollow Lacey,
Trainer, reverse hollow.
A reverse hollow Flareon. What I know is that we don't have this. I just know this, we don't have it. Hollow Cornerstone Mask Ogerpon EX. I know we don't have that though.
We don't have a lot of these EXs.
Yeah, especially the Ogerpon. We only have one type of Ogerpon, the fire one, the fire mask, whatever. That's the only way.
2 packs left. 2 packs.
Mr. Generator, done. Golden, Sneasel, Glass Trumpet, Haunchua, Spores Guidance, Noibat.
Noibat.
Oh, that's a reverse hollow.
Yeah, it's a reverse hollow Noibat Pokeball.
This is the funniest thing. We got a reverse hollow Glaceon.
A reverse hollow Glaceon.
We got a hollow Glaceon.
And a hollow Glaceon.
The same thing, but one's reverse hollow and one's hollow.
Mm-hmm. Last pack, best pack. It kind of got out of whack. Last pack, best pack.
Basic.
Hammonberry.
Noibat. Buttbutt's Training. Fanrose Home. Bronzong. Techno Radar. Dipwing. Reverse Hollow Duskull.
Reverse hollow Duskull.
Reverse Hollow Kieran.
It's kind of dark. I know you can't see it.
The Reverse Hollow Kieran.
Come on, tell me some full art magic. No.
How do you know it's not full?
'Cause I saw it.
A Hollow Dusknoir.
Bum, bada. Bum, bada.